Trident is a unique, versatile, and fast-opening folding knife that provides many different uses while showcasing SOG's style and quality construction. Made of AUS 8 steel with an attractive hard case, black TINI finish, the 3.75-inch partially serrated folding blade has a clip point shape that allows a quicker and deeper puncture upon insertion and makes quick work of any task. SOG assisted technology, also known as SAT, works through the balance of opposing high tension coil springs. As you initiate the opening action, the force propelling your blade open becomes greater than the force keeping it closed. The result is a blade that springs open instantly once it is engaged, seemingly on its own. The piston locking mechanism uses a movable bar that's wedged between the blade tang and knife handle to lock the blade in place while in the open position. The contoured and well-balanced handle has a black finish and is made of high-strength, abrasion, and impact-resistant glass-reinforced nylon that will fit comfortably in your hand. The DigiGrip variable pattern provides a secure, non-slip grip, and the base of the handle sports a groove that allows the user to cut paracord, fishing line, and other cord-sized objects without having to open the blade. The TF1-CP has a closed length of 4.75 inches, overall length of 8.5 inches, blade thickness of 0.13 inches, and weighs 3.6 ounces. You can currently get this knife on Amazon for roughly $60. For more videos, please make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.